What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So now this video is all about my merchandise. So I've created a merch store called Crazy Store, and you guys can purchase merch on the store. So this merch that I'm promoting here is very important. This merch is for us to support the Palestinians and to hate on the Israelis. And you guys can purchase this merch, this the stone Israeli flag merch. So it comes in a variety of colors, but black is probably the best color to purchase this merch in. So there's t-shirts, premium t-shirts, there's hoodies, then there's one mug, right? And there's mugs that you can purchase. I think there's slippers that you can purchase as well, slides that you can purchase as well. So go head to my store. I will leave a link in the description. Go to my store. You guys can purchase some merch. I also have other type of merch, but this merch is only for the people that support Palestine, like myself. You guys can purchase the stone Israeli. I don't know why I say burn, but the stone Israeli flag merch. And share this video to each and every person. Okay, friends, family. Um, So the reason why I've created this, why I designed this merch is because of the war, of the genocide, and so the more people wear them. I don't have the merch currently. I must still order my merch, but I'll do it soon. Um, and and let's support the Palestinians. Okay, so I just woke up, so I'm a bit rusty. Okay, so I apologize, guys. So from time to time, I will, promote all the new merch that I've created. I'll promote it here on my channel under my playlist merch store. Okay, okay, you guys can just from time to time check it out. Okay, and that is it, guys, for the video. So please let's support the Palestinians further, even though there's a ceasefire. Even though there's a ceasefire, there's still bombings and people dying. Okay, so let's support these guys by purchasing one of these merch, and I will donate to a people called Spotlight. They're famous on YouTube, okay, where they give food out to the Palestinians and to the Afghani kids. That I'll support, um, you know donate to them as well. Okay, so if you guys purchase merch from me, then I would donate to them. Okay, so buy from me and I will donate to them as well. Okay, so thank you guys so much for liking. um, Please like this video, please comment, please share, and please subscribe, and please let's support the Palestinians. Please purchase this merch. Okay, the torn Israeli flag merch. Okay, and thank you very much, and peace.